just came in the mail. My Hairprint Color Restore treatment. Sweet. I'm gonna restore my gray while getting my shine on. All right, let's unpack this. Ooh, but before I do, I also have my African shea butter. Not included, but highly recommended if you have previously dyed hair or have treated your hair with chemicals in any way. This will go on first on dry hair. Okay, let's get started. We have included a set of gloves, a color brush, the Prepare Pre-Treatment Shampoo. This will go on your damp gray hair. The Restore Powder, which will be mixed with the Restore Liquid. Another batch of Restore Liquid to be mixed with the Restore Powder. And finally, the Complete Liquid to be mixed with the Complete Powder. Great. And also, of course, are included the application instructions. All right, let's recap. We have gloves and a brush. We have the Prepare Pre-Treatment Shampoo, the Restore Liquid along with the Restore Powder mixed together. The second round of Restore Liquid to be mixed with the Restore Powder. And lastly, we have the Complete Liquid to be mixed with the Complete Powder. Everything you need to restore your gray minus the chemicals. Thanks for watching.